Let's see how install new name functions in your Google Sheet. I will show you this on example of my spreadsheet with blank cells, adding blank cells below each group. This is a very interesting function and we'll see how to install it. So first of all, you will get a link to my file and you'll need to make a copy. Go to File and click Make a Copy and select some name for your copy and then click Make a Copy, so it will make your copy. Then go to New tab and add new sheet if you want, but you also may open your existing spreadsheet just to add these functions into your spreadsheet. So we'll imagine that it is your spreadsheet. In my case, it's a new sheet which I created with sheet.new shortcut. You see, I named my copy XXX, so it will be easier for me to find it. Then I'll go to Data, Named Functions. This will open a sidebar to the right. I guess it must do. Yeah. Now it processed, and I'll click Import Function, and the XXX will find my sheet. I'll just click on it, and now I see which functions are here. So I would like to add this group spaces function, but you see, it has dependent functions, group start and fill, so I need to add them to group start, and finally function called fill is also here. So I'll click import, and now I have these three functions in my spreadsheet, which means that all they work, but some of them are dependent. You see these fill functions and group spaces here. If I click here and edit, you will see that this function uses some other function inside it. So this is called group start, and it doesn't use. But if I click group spaces, you see it uses this group start. So one name function even use another name function. In my case, I'll open named function menu again to show it on screen, and I'll copy my sample data from here. Ctrl C and go here, Ctrl V, just to show you how they work in new file. And here I'll click equal sign and try to make group spaces. You see, when I enter GR, group spaces is already here, so I can select it with mouse or with tab key. Select my data, it may be with blank cell 2, and select the number of column with group name. In my case, it's group number 1. And you see how it works. In my new definition of this function, you can even preserve your objects like hyperlinks. You see, this hyperlink works here and here. And as you see, Sam1 produces blank cell, blank row below it. Next, blank row below Sam, Max, and so forth. If I go here and enter Sam1 here, so blank row will be moved here. And if I add new value here and repeat it, you will see that it also groups it for me. So this works like a charm and just as I want it. So I suggest you, I'll show you this link, I'll share it below the video. I suggest you to repeat these steps and try my function group spaces. And also you are welcome to write your comments with your ideas.